Hey, welcome back to Build a Website from Scratch with HTML and CSS. This video is called Inline CSS. We are finally in the CSS portion of our course, and we're going to get started by learning the 3 different ways you can add styles to your website. In this video, we're going to learn about inline CSS. So create a new folder on your desktop called lesson_5. In your lesson_5 folder, add an HTML file called inline.html. In the HTML folder, add the doc type and the basic page structure with the title of inline CSS. So let's get started just by coding a paragraph tag with some text. If I were to save this and check it out in my browser, we will just have plain black paragraph text right here. An inline style is when you add an attribute called style to your HTML tag right in the HTML. So this is a style attribute, and this is how you add inline CSS. So if I wanted to change the color of this specific tag, I would just add the color style, and let's say orange. If I check this out, now my text should be orange. I can add more inline CSS right within this attribute here. Let's say font size. I wanted it to be 30 pixels. And if I check it out, I'll have 30 pixel orange paragraph text. And I can keep adding more CSS right in this attribute. But just a note, inline CSS isn't the best way to add CSS to your web pages. It's considered bad practice if this is the only way you add your CSS, because there are way more efficient and better ways, because HTML, as we know, is meant for meaning and content, not for the visual look of the website. And once you start incorporating your CSS right into your HTML file, then you start having a kind of a messy HTML file, and it doesn't have as much meaning as it did before, because you can add CSS separately. So in the next video, we're going to learn about another type of CSS and how you can add it to your website. So I'll see you there.